Type PDFgear in the search bar. Click on the first link. Once the page opens, click on the free download button. PDFgear is also available for Mac and iOS devices. Open the setup file and follow the instructions to complete the installation. Make sure to read the license agreement thoroughly. If you agree with the terms, select I accept and click Next to proceed. Now that the setup is finished, PDFgear will open. Its features are converting PDFs into various formats, converting files to PDFs, merging and splitting PDFs, and many other tools. Open a PDF file to explore the editing features of this tool, such as highlighting, adding text, editing text, adding pages, and many more editing options you can explore. Now, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into another format. For example, let's convert this file into images. You can also convert PDF files into many other formats available in this software. Now, I'll show you how to set a password for your PDF to lock it. Now, I'll guide you through the process of removing a password from a PDF. Before you begin, ensure that you know the current password for the document. Additionally, it's important to confirm that you have the appropriate rights or permission to unlock the PDF. Hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.